When Governor Abbott announced his emergency items during his State of the State address in February, the 2019 legislature was already in session. KETK's Wes Rappaport looks at where the dust settled when time ran out at the Capitol.
I am proud to tell you that the state of Texas has never been better.
Governor Greg Abbott used his State of the State address to outline his emergency items, a half-dozen commitments for lawmakers to tackle during the 140-day sprint. Teacher pay, school finance reform, and property tax reform getting top billing, alongside school safety, student mental health, and disaster relief.
It is our time to chart a course that will make Texas even better. Not for just the next 4 years, but for the next 40 years.
By and large, state leaders did it. They injected $6.5 billion into the state's education system and devoted $5.1 billion to lower property taxes.
Getting those resources where they're needed, creating equity across the state, doing a lot of transformational school finance reform that should really help incentivize and help our best teachers be rewarded for that. I think in the long run that's going to be a home run.
Republican State Senator Don Buckingham said Abbott's leadership showed itself in the property tax discussion.
What are some of those tools that he uses to have that effectiveness that you talked about this session?
Well, you know, he had that negotiating trick. I think last session we ended up somewhere around 6% or something, 4%. I forget exactly where it ended at the end of the day. And so he came in this session and said 2.5. So he started out from not where most people thought he was going to, and we took it from there and got as tight a package as we could get.
I didn't feel like we had the heavy hand of another chamber or the governor micromanaging our work.
But Central Texas State Representative Aaron Zwiener, a Democrat, says despite the state's top 3 leaders bringing both parties and both chambers together at times, she points to missed opportunities to focus on health care.
We did have the conversation about Medicaid expansion this session. We didn't have it very successfully, unfortunately.
Listen, the fact is that we have accomplished so much. But you all know as well as I do that more must be done if we are going to fulfill the promise of Texas.
Wes Rappaport, KETK News.
When the session wrapped up, Governor Abbott vetoed 58 bills of the more than 1,400 approved by the House and Senate.